Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm pixieraimua and in this video I'm going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge. So as you can see, I don't have any makeup on my face whatsoever, so you can't see the finished look. I won't be zooming you guys in just because I won't know when products are in focus or anything like that, as I am going to flip the viewfinder around in a moment when I've finished the intro. If my sound does sound different, I have just got a new microphone, so I'm hoping the sound quality is better. Don't forget you can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Vero. I'll just leave the handles down below. They are just pixieraimua everywhere. If you do like these videos, don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. Don't forget you can also press the notification button below, which is just the bell, so you can be notified anytime that I upload. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I just want to show you that I've definitely not got any mirror. I've also, all the products I've used, none of them have mirrors on, so I can't cheat at all. If I'm looking somewhere in particular, it's because I really don't know where else to look, so I'm going to show you anyway. So as you can see, my mirror has been covered by my towel. Please excuse the makeup. I've turned my viewfinder around. Okay guys, so if I do go in and out of focus, I'm really sorry. Obviously I can't see what's going on. Let's get to it, I guess. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Primer. I'm just going to pop that all over my face. Now I may swallow my words, but I think this one might be quite easy, as I'll just apply it with my fingers. So for foundation, I'm going in with my Revlon Colour Stay in Buff. And so this is where it gets weird. Just makes me so grateful for my eyes. So I'm just going to take a beauty sponge. This is the Real Techniques Brush Crush Diamond Sponge and start blending. So oh my god, it's so weird. I'm not gonna know when it's done, I guess. I guess my technique is just going to be to keep blending, and then when I think I've blended enough, just blend that a little bit more. Okay, so I think that is blended in. If it's not, you guys are probably laughing at me. So then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Fair. I'm not helping myself by using this concealer either, because it is, oh god, very pigmented. So I know that I've got, yeah, here, oh, I hope I got that. And I'm sure, oh, I don't know which side. I know that I've got some blemishes up here somewhere. So let's just, I don't know. And there's one on my cheek there. And there. And again, I'm just going to take the Brush Crush Diamond Sponge and hopefully blend this in. Oh god, this is so weird. I don't know where to look. I can't even feel the product on me. It's so bizarre. Okay, this could have done nothing. It could still be patchy. I don't know. And because I like to challenge myself, I don't know why I've decided to do this, I'm going to cream contour. So I'm going in with the Model Co contour stick. Wish me luck. Okay, so again with my sponge, let's start blending, I guess. Oh, this could go horribly wrong now. I mean, if it hasn't already. hopefully I am all blended. If not, I'm sure it's going to give you guys a good laugh. So next I'm going to be taking the PS My Perfect Colour Mineral Powder in Porcelain. This is just from Primark. I'm just going to dust that all over my face and just set it. I've never actually used this powder before, so I'm not sure that this is the best video to start using it because I can't even see what it looks like. Okay, I think I'm powdered. So I'm just going to take my Hoola bronzer on my Real Techniques 303 contouring brush. No mirror in here, if you wondered. So for blush, I'm just going in with my Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit, and I'm just going to take the blush colour just on my MAC brush. Again, this could look like all or nothing, so I'm probably looking like a right clown, and you guys are hopefully going to find this funny. Blush done, I think. Time for highlight. So I'm going to go in the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss in Ice Kiss. It's just their really icy one. So I could end up looking like the Tin Man. And to just set all my base makeup in place, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. It's probably the one product I don't actually need a mirror for this bit. So, time for the fun bit, my eyes. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette, so it just looks like this. So first off, I'm going to go in with this neutral colour just all over the lid. Okay, and then for the transition shade, I'm going to go in with this colour here. I'm going to just run that through the crease. And again, I think I'm just going to just keep blending and then blending some more. This is really bizarre. I don't know where to look. This is not going to come out well, I can already tell. I've got liquid liner to do as well. I don't know why. Why would I do this to myself? Okay, and then I think for my next transition shade, I'm going to go in with this colour here. I'm not going easy on myself. That is pigmented as well, so this is going to be interesting, I think. And then I'm just going to go with my clean fluffy brush and just hopefully blend this colour. I'm actually hoping I'm putting enough on because it'd be pretty crap if I don't. And then I'm going to put that colour, just run it under my lower lash. There. Oh god, this bit could be going wrong. I mean, if it hasn't already gone wrong. I keep saying this. Oh, this bit could be going wrong. But it's probably gone wrong already and you guys are probably wetting yourselves. To blend. And then I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to just start placing that on the outer corner and also into the crease. And then just deep in the crease, just ever so slightly, I'm just going to take this colour here, just the brown colour, and hopefully deepen that crease. Told you I'm not going to make it easy on myself, so. And then blend. Okay, so on a damp brush I'm going to take this colour here and I'm just going to start packing that onto the lid. Okay, I'm making sure that's blended, just taking what's left on this fluffy brush and hopefully just blending that together. I'm just going to take the same colour and run it under. So then just on a damp little brush, I'm just going to take the highlighter again to do the inner corner. And then with my highlighter brush, I am just going to highlight my brow bone. And with coal pencil I'm just going to tight line my waterline. Now no, I'm not doing this with the mirror, so please pray for my eyes. Okay, time for liquid eyeliner. So I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. If this didn't look crap already, it's definitely going to now. I feel like this is going to be just as bad as when Lewis did it. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, if you've not seen when Lewis my husband did my makeup, I'll leave it linked up there for you. He probably did a better job than whatever mess I am now making. That could be horrendous. Moving on. So I'm going to take the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Oh, I'm quite scared of this. Oh my god, I didn't think this through. Okay, lower lash line. Where are you? Ugh, I always make a mess of this anyway. Okay, please pray for me. It is now time for my brows. So I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Brow Pomade in chocolate. Wish me luck. It's really weird because it feels like you're not putting any product down, and I most certainly probably am. Oh, this isn't going to be my best work, is it? You'd think that doing brows every single day, you would be able to do it without a mirror. But no. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to be using MAC's Velvet Teddy lipstick. I feel like this is going to be the easiest part. Apart from primer. So guys, this is the finished look. I've got my mirror. I don't feel like I want to. I feel like it's gonna be awful. Oh, okay, right. Listen, I mean, my eyebrows are leaving a little to be desired, but I mean, that blend's not too bad. I mean, I have a lot of highlight on as well. I like this half of this eyebrow. I'm not really sure what happened there to this eyebrow. The eyeliner actually isn't as horrendous as I thought it was going to be. I am glowy. I feel like I've just doused my entire forehead in highlighter. No, okay, it's pretty awful, but it was fun. So let me come closer so you can see. Okay, so here is the finished look. So guys, I really hope you liked this video. It was super fun to film and really weird. Yeah, it's given me a whole new appreciation for my eyes, which obviously I had anyway because, yeah, eyes. I really hope you guys like this. If you do like these kind of challenges, give us a huge thumbs up. I do have a few more coming up, so I really hope you like them. Don't forget, if you want to see my husband Lewis again, he has promised to come back on, and I'm up to 500 subscribers, and that's quite a lot. So if you guys can do me a solid, hit that subscribe button down below, and he will be back on to do another challenge with me. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.